Yo, what's up guys, it's me again, Jose Nugreto. So I'm now gonna review a special car. It is a BMW M4 competition. And this car is painted on broken gray metallic. This is the latest BMW M4, which has the G series, the G82. So the previous generation is the BMW M4 F82, and then it got massive design change from the headlights. Now it comes standard with the LED laser light or BMW laser light. The front grille are just so big. That's two different horizontally slats like here. We've got the BMW M4, the M4 badge. The lower section here in the splitter are just so different, and then there's a lot of air intakes on the front, as you can see here, and then another air vents. Now, the first BMW M4 is introduced on 2014, the F generation. So this is the new, the latest generation from the BMW Iconic sports car. Now, let's talk about the engine. Yeah. So this is the engine. As you can see, it is the S58 engine, 3-liter M96, puts out 510 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. It drives rear wheel with 8-speed automatic gearbox. The top speed of this engine is around 290 km per hour, and 0 to 100 from 3.9 seconds.
Here we go. It's so quiet, but it's so good!
Overall, the design is much better than the old ones, in my opinion. So let's move on to the side. Okay, it is a 19 alloy wheels painted with satin black finish. The M code is 826M, and you got 2 piston caliper on the rear and 6 piston caliper on the front. Also, on the sides, you can see the new M4 badge on the side. For the track tires, it is so wide, around, wait a minute, 275, 35, 19-inch, and then 270 on the rear. So here in the mirror caps, painted with black, good gloss. And then we got carbon fiber roof right here with the arches. And then look from the rear. So the new BMW M4 has the new design for the rear lights. So the difference between the M4 and M3 competition, M4 has 2 doors, which M3 has 4 doors. So you won't get any doors on the rear right here. So it just looks much more sexy on the hips. So here in the rear end, it has the new design diffuser and water pipes. We get the M4 badge right here, and then this one's the ducktail, painted with black gloss. So I guess that's from the exterior. So now, large upgrade from the previous M4 competition is the iDrive. Now this car has fitted with iDrive 8. I'm gonna show you where it goes. So this car has iDrive. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it's touchscreen. How to the climate control? Is this? The lowest degree is 16.5. Transmission, parking sensor right here. So on the front, you can see it's not digital instrument. There is some Alright, we do have head-up display on the front. Tire pressure. You get speed as well. The maps, and here's the pedal shifter. Oh, look at that! Cool, dude. I guess that's it from the interior. We have this, some compartment right here. So it is the Kyalami orange for the interior, as you can see here. It's got the Indian lights. Look. It is the iDrive 8. This is the latest iDrive, so it has a lot of information from the car. Bonnet open, a lot of information, and then it has 4-seater, just like the M3 competition. So, look. Whoa, automatic. So, wanna try in the rear? Alright. Cool. So cool. It's still manual. Alright. Okay, so that's it for my review for the BMW M4 competition. Thank you guys for watching, and then see you guys next time. Thank you.